Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to create a Friendster account. So first, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Friendster. Next, tap the cloud icon or the install icon or button to install the Friendster app. Now, once the app is installed, open it. So on the welcome screen, you need to put in your display name and bio. Now, once done, tap on continue. So here it may ask you to protect your account so you can sign in with Apple or you can do it later. So I'm gonna click on close. And that's basically it. You can click on edit profile and you can change your profile photo. Just tap on choose photo and choose your photo. Now once done, you can edit your name and your bio in here too and click on save. So sometimes Friendster may ask you to verify your email or phone number. Just enter the verification code they send you. Now once everything is set up, your Friendster account will be ready to use. And that's basically it. You've successfully created a Friendster account on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.